Hello, this is G Fantastic. Today we're going to do a milk chemistry unboxing. In here are 2 packages of milk chemistry boxes, and today we're going to see what are in there.
Yeah.
So let's get ready. Steady. Ooh, over here is nutrients.
Nutrients, what does the picture look like?
The picture looks like bubbles.
Bubbles! I love bubbles!
Are these gems or bubbles? They look like bubbles. And the next one, thermal effects.
Thermal effects, what's the picture on that one?
That one looks like salt and water.
Oh. Oh, the salt one, are you sure it's salt? Looks like it's smoky.
No, it kind of looks like that. Oh, the Yeti one, the Yeti thingy.
Yeah, that's true. Alright, so let's, which one do you want to open first?
Let's open thermal effects first. Maybe the gloves are going to be red. I don't think so.
I don't think so either, but you never know.
We never know.
You got
The
it.
front is the same. Wow, this also has 3 of these.
Ooh.
There's crumpled bottle, or is this crumpled bottle?
Nice. Danger 2. Alright.
Danger 2, difficulty 1. This is thermal chameleon.
Are you sure it's not Chameleon?
Not chameleon, I don't know the word. This is going to take difficulty 2, danger 1.
Mm-hmm. Is it a long time?
It's 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
This is 5 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
This is chemical warmer. This is difficulty 2, danger 1, and it takes 10 minutes.
Uh-huh. What do we have in there?
A lot of chemicals.
Ooh, they
Ooh, we have-
finally gave us the stickers. We got these thermo stickers.
We got these mineral filter. Wow, they gave us the stickers.
Oh, they're still blue.
Blue as usual.
What do we got? Calcium oxide quicklime.
There is calcium chloride. There are 4.
Wow.
That's a lot. There's copper 2 sulfate and ZN.
Zinc powder. We've had that one before.
Have we? Oh, there's 6.
Cool. All right, let's take these out and see which ones are dangerous.
Copper 2 sulfate hazards, harmful if swallowed, causes skin irritation, very toxic to aquatic life with long-lasting effects, and causes serious eye irritation. Zinc powder hazard, very toxic to aquatic life with long-lasting effects. Calcium chloride hazards, causes serious eye irritation. Calcium oxide hazards may cause respiratory irritation, causes skin irritation, causes serious eye damage.
Oof.
And that's it.
Oh, so we're going to have to be careful.
Super careful.
All right, let's put those out. Fold it up neatly, put it back inside.
And then after that, it's time for nutrients, nutrients, I think.
Yep, they're from the same root word.
What root? Oh.
You know what root is. Okay, let's take it away.
Now it's time for bubbles.
Bubble time.
Bubble time, baby. Oh yeah. Bubbles. Bubbles, I like bubbles. Time for-
Nobody doesn't like bubbles. Everyone loves the bubble.
I don't like bubbles. Oh, there are candles in here. Candles that are already served. Let's
Ready
see.
served?
Already served. Oh, these are purple.
Funky! Our first purple gloves.
And the spoons are kind of bluish, you can see over here. And more milk chemistry stickers.
We got those thermal stickers.
That's interesting. Purple gloves.
All right.
We got 3 normal candles. We got 2 absorbents. We got, is this copper 2 sulfate again?
Yep.
Lactose. This is very long. C12H22011.
Lactose?
Yeah, lactose.
Why does it have such a short name? Okay. Are they both lactose? Oh, they are.
There's sodium carbonate. There's glycerol. Looks like glycerol.
Oh, this says milk sugar on it. Oh, yeah, that's apparently what lactose is.
Glycerol. What's
Glycerol.
Glycerol.
I don't know what that is.
There's calcium hydrogen or hydrate.
Hydroxide. What else did we find in there?
The last magical liquid. Ninhydrogen.
What? Wait a minute. What is that called?
Ninhydrin.
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 Interesting. All right. What other stuff?
That's it. Or
No, there's more stuff.
syringe. This time they put it in like a plastic tube thingy. These.
I think we're going to use the plastic tube with our mixing
There's
sticks.
this thing. I forgot what the name is. This.
Pipette.
There's another one that's already squished.
Female pipe.
Female pipettes.
All right, let's find out which of
A
our
straw.
chemicals are dangerous.
Wait, let's see this first.
Oh, okay.
Fats. Danger 2. Difficulty 2. 40 minutes.
40 minutes, wow. We're going to make some fat. I make that every day.
Oh, this time we're using the grill.
That is the, what is it called? The heater? Some kind of pocket heater? What is it called?
Proteins.
Proteins.
Difficulty 1, danger 2, 10 minutes. This name is quite long. It's a carbohydrates.
Good reading.
Difficulty 2, danger 2, and 15 minutes. And just remember of those purple gloves.
We'll remember the purple gloves forever. All right, are we ready to find which of our chemicals is dangerous?
No.
Why not?
I want to see the purple gloves. The purple.
Are they still purple or did they change color?
They changed color.
They
into,
did not.
Oh, yeah. They changed color into navy. So blah blah blah. Okay. Copper 2 sulfate has a harmful if swallowed, causes skin irritation, very toxic to aquatic life with long-lasting effects, causes serious eye irritation. Sodium carbonate hazards, causes serious eye irritation. Lactose, no danger.
Really?
Yeah. Calcium hydroxide hazards may cause respiratory irritation, causes skin irritation, causes serious eye damage. Glycerol? What's
Yep,
that?
glycerol.
Glycerol, no danger. And ninhydrin hazards harmful if swallowed, may cause respiratory irritation, causes skin irritation, causes serious eye irritation. Paper cuts. Ooh, damage. Ooh. 10 damage. So I hope you like this video. Wait a minute, I need to put this in here.
That's okay.
Just remember about the purple gloves. We'll see them in the YouTube soon. This was a milk chemistry unboxing, maybe the third. Or fourth, I think it's third. And so I hope you like this video. We will do these chemistries next time, even though we didn't do it right now. So bye bye.